Don't be sad, we'll be right back.
Don't worry, I'm sure we'll have a great time. Huh? What's wrong? Are you upset? What is this?
Today it's gonna be my way. Yay! My snacks! I'm gonna get them all.
Huh? What are you doing?
Just eating.
Come here.
Oh.
Easy. Nanny's got an idea. I'll make a special serving tray. Any kid's gonna love it. The most important place is for a plate. Then we will draw a fork, a spoon, and a cup. Some tape will fix the tray on table. Now it won't run away. The meal is ready. Porridge goes first. Then juice. And here are the utensils. Enjoy!
Ew, gross! Yuck! I'm not gonna eat this.
Don't play with food! Gross! Oh, you started it. Oh, I need to come up with something and fast. But shower first. Oh. All kids love sweets. Why not make them healthy? Aha! My precious secret book. Let's see. My family's signature life hack. I'm gonna win this cute little monster over. First, we'll substitute a candy with a grape. Now you just can't tell them apart. I'll leave the candies for myself. Yum! Now let's cut an apple. I know a cool ninja trick. Just watch and learn. French fries packaging is a must. Squeeze in some strawberry jam. Looks like ketchup, huh? Okay, you won. You can have back your lovely sweets.
Something's weird, but I'll give it a try. Wow! It is so yummy! And these candies? They are the best!
I was born to be a nanny.
Thank you, I'm full. I'll go play in my room.
Wow, she's so polite. Hold on, something's off. I will find out what she's plotting at.
I know a little secret! My chocolate spread stash! Yummy!
Aha! Gotcha! Don't eat chocolate like this. I'll make you a cool dispenser. Pour chocolate spread into the container. Now close it tight and it's done. I could eat it all by myself. All right, let's see how it works. Awesome! Here you go, sweetie. Oh, she loves it. Huh? Oh, no. You need a wash.
No way! I said I won't.
Fine. But what if I dress up like this?
I said no! You won't make me.
Whoops, Nanny's in danger. Somebody help! Let's make a magic bath bomb using some baking soda and bright, safe paint. Here go essential oils. Now mix it all well. The scent is amazing. I knew this package would come in handy someday. Fill both halves of the plastic sphere and let them set. Easy bath. Check out what I have. Do you like it?
Wait, Nanny, close your eyes. I've got a surprise for you. Here it is.
Ew! Gross! What is this? Yuck!
Don't you like my surprise?
You are good, Miss Prankster, but I have my tricks.
Okay, this could be interesting. Wow, this does look cool!
Now your favorite doll can have a real spa treatment. Dry her with a towel. Much better. And what about you? Finally, everyone's clean and happy. Oh my, we forgot to brush your teeth. Here's your toothbrush. Come on.
Hey, no way!
Wow, a new TikTok dance.
Hey, let me see. Oh wow, she's so cool. I want to repeat it.
Let's create your own toothbrushing dance. Are you ready? Now shake it and move it. Make everybody do it. Brush your teeth twice a day, people. Ah, it is so good outside.
Look, I won that balloon. Gotcha! Yay! We are gonna play together all day long. I love my yellow balloon. Yay! It's gone! Oh no! Nanny, make it come back!
Oh, don't be upset. Let's find a new game. We can easily turn a regular balloon into a stunning doll dress. First, cut out the top and the bottom parts. And here's our doll model. Let's dress her up. Wow, it fits! How do you like your doll's new dress?
She's so pretty! I'll brag about her in my Instagram.
Aw, little vlogger.
Why don't I have any followers?
I've got an idea. All we need is to put a bright sticker on your phone's camera. Now look here and smile. Pose and pose. You look amazing. Yay! So many likes. See, you didn't have to be upset about anything.
I'm so tired.
It's getting late. Let's go to bed. Warm milk will help you sleep well.
Ew, milk! I don't like it. I don't want to sleep.
How about a good old fairy tale? Once upon a time...
Hey, I'm bored.
Oh, I know! We can make a super projector out of a few simple things. We just need to make sure everything holds tight. Now let's draw a cute little picture on top of the film with bright markers. So, wanna check this out?
I'm not sure what is it, but okay.
Flash it with the light and you'll see magic!
Wow, so cool!
Finally, she's sleeping. I'd better get going. Whoops! That was close. See you next time!